Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase maximum volume beyond 100% in Windows. Increasing the maximum volume beyond 100% in Windows can be done using third-party software or by tweaking system settings. However, it's important to note that increasing the volume beyond the recommended levels can damage your speakers or headphones and may cause hearing damage. Proceed with caution and consider using external speakers or headphones with a separate volume control for the better control over volume levels. Here's how you can potentially increase the volume beyond 100%. What you have to do is first use the equalizer APO. Equalizer APO is a free open source equalizer for Windows that allows you to boost the volume beyond 100%. Here's how you can use it. You can download and install Equalizer APO from the official website of the Equalizer APO and enter it. And from this first option, you can see click on that option and download over here. And during the installation, you need to select your audio device, example speakers or headphones. And after the installation, you need to open the configuration editor from the start menu. And this is it guys, and it's important to remember that increasing the volume beyond 100% can cause audio distortion and potentially damage your speakers or headphones. Use caution and consider using external volume control option for better control over volume levels. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.